New modern life, circled with technology gadgets. Technology has been progressing quickly, which has become an important part in our life. Technology is something that is gaining increased importance in the whole world today. Whenever you look, there is a technology. Even the device you're using to watch this video uses technology. If you look a few years back, we can realize that how technology and technical gadgets has been so advanced today. Now we can do many works in our home, sitting in our place, now with more efficiency and less consuming of time. So we all know lots of about technology, but how many knows about the best tech gadgets of the recent times? Whose awesome function and features are just making us crazy. If you don't know, then you are the best place to know about.
With this, welcome again to our very own channel, Pending.
And today we will going to discuss about top 15 tech gadgets you must have. So without any more delay, let's get started. Number 50. Google Nest. Google Nest, previously named Google Home, is a line of smart speakers developed by Google under the Google Nest brand. The devices enable users to speak voice commands to interact with service through Google Assistant, the company's virtual assistant. Both in-house and third-party services are integrated, allowing users to listen to music, control playback of videos or photos, or receive news updates entirely by voice. Google Nest devices also have integrated support for home automation, letting users control smart home appliances with their voice command. The first device, Google Home, was released in the United States in November 2016. Subsequent product releases have occurred globally since 2017. Through software updates to Google Nest devices and Google Assistant, additional functionality has been added over time. For example, multiple speakers can be set up, playback of music. An update in April 2017 brought multi-user support, allowing the device to distinguish between up to 6 people by voice. In May 2017, Google announced multiple updates, including hands-free phone calling at no cost in Canada and the United States, proactive reminders ahead of scheduled events, visual responses on mobile devices or Chromecast-enabled television, Bluetooth audio streaming, and the ability to add reminders and calendar appointments. The original Google Home speaker, released in November 2016, featured a cylindrical chip with color status LEDs on the top. In October 2017, Google announces two additional to the product lineup: the miniature puck-shaped Google Home Mini and a large Google Home Max. In October 2018, the company released the Google Home Hub, a smart speaker with a 7-inch touchscreen. In May 2019, Google announced the Google Home devices would be rebranded under the Google Nest banner, and it unveiled the Nest Hub Max, a larger smart display. Google defended the practice in a blog post. As part of our work to develop speech technology for more languages, we partner with language experts around the whole world who understand the nonsense and essence of the specific language. Google wrote, "These language experts review and transcribe a small set of queries to help us better understand those languages. This is a critical part of the process of building speech technology and is necessary to recreating products like the Google Assistant." On October 2021, the Google Home branding returned as a smart home platform for developers. Number 14, which is Apple's AirTag. AirTag is a tracking device developed by Apple. AirTag is designed to act as a key finder, helping people find personal objects like keys, bags, small electronic devices, vehicles, etc. To locate lost items, AirTags leverage Apple's crowdsourced Find My network, estimated in early 2021 to consist of approx 1 billion devices worldwide that detect and anomalize report-emitted Bluetooth signals. AirTags are compatible with iPhone, iPad, or iPod touch devices, capable of running iOS, iPadOS 14.5 or later. Using the built-in UN chip on iPhone 11 or later, users can more precisely locate items using ultra-wideband technology. AirTag was announced on April 20, 2021, made available for pre-orders on April 23, and released in April 30. AirTags can be interacted with using the Find My app. Users may trigger the AirTag to play a sound for the app. iPhones equipped with a UN chip can use precision tracking to provide direction to a precise distance from an AirTag. Precision tracking utilizes ultra-wideband. AirTags are not satellite navigation devices. AirTags are located on a map within the Find My app by utilizing Bluetooth signals from other anomalous iOS and iPadOS devices out in the world. to help prevent unwanted tracking and instead of with the AirTag's owner for too long. If an AirTag is out of range of an Apple device for more than 8 to 24 hours, it will begin to beep and alert a person that an AirTag may have been placed in a position. Users can mark an AirTag as lost and provide a phone number and a message. Any iPhone user can see this phone number and messages with the Identify Lost Item features with the Find My app, which utilizes near field communication technology. Additionally, Android and Windows 10 mobile phones with NFC can identify the AirTag with a tap, which will redirect the website containing the message and phone number. AirTag requires an Apple ID or iOS or iPad OS 14.5 or later. It uses the CR2032 button cell replaceable with 1 year of battery life. The maximum range of Bluetooth tracking is estimated to be around 100 meters. The water resistance of an AirTag is rated IP67 water and dust. An AirTag can withstand 30 minutes of water immersion in standard by laboratory conditions. Each Apple ID is limited to 16 AirTags. Number 13. STM Dux Backpack. Less than a couple months ago, STM unleashed a few standout MagSafe compatible accessories that caught our attention. Today, the new STM Dux Backpack has surfaced and it also spots several notable features that definitely could turn some heads. Not only does it have enough room for 17-inch laptop, but you can also store tablet or such more. Given just how valuable the contents inside the bag could end up being, STM has padded it all away around to create what it calls a foam fortress. The design delivers mil-spec protection with multi-direction access through both top and side pockets. Continue reading to learn more. A large bag can often be filled with a lot gear. Thankfully, the new STM Dux Backpack bundles traditional storage compartments with an abundance of pockets throughout. On the left or right, you will also find water bottle storage, but there's also a discrete security pocket, key clip, and cable keeper. Laptop storage in the STM Dux Backpack has what the company refers to as a sling tech section that suspends devices up and away from the impact zone. This serves as yet another layer of protection for your beloved computer, tablet, and more. The STM Dux Backpack is made for people serious about the technology gear they are carrying, or for those carrying serious gear. The backpack can also work for people who just need a carved out space for a drone. The backpack can also work for photography gear, microphone, or other technology related products. The sides open up like zippered doors to reveal adjustable Velcro attached shelves. The top features a roomy pocket for more delicate items. Plus, there are hidden water bottles pockets and a laptop slot with a room for most laptops that are 17-inch and smaller. Carrying STM Dux should be pleasant with inorganic dual foam shoulder strap. Number 12. TruSense Large Smart Wi-Fi Air Purifier. Portable air cleaners will become household fixtures in the next several years. Get ahead of the trend by placing this gorgeous smart air purifier in your living room. The TruSense comes with 360-degree dual point true HEPA filtration to capture and destroy all type of pollutants. We are talking allergens, airborne viruses, pet dander, smoke, odor, and certain VOC gases. It covers up to 750 square feet and a bidirectional airflow delivers purified air 24% better than the average air purifier. Sensor pod reading make it simple to monitor air quality. Plus, you can also control everything directly from your smartphone. We are also digging the ultra-modern design, which gives a futuristic Bluetooth speaker vibes. Remote sensing provides detailed and accurate reading of the air quality in your room. Our enhanced sensor port detects ultrafine particles that can be inhaled and get into your lungs and bloodstreams, as well as smoke, certain VOCs, and odors. The sensor port takes air quality readings and communicates them back to the air purifier. Pure Direct Proprietary technology splits clean air into two air streams, delivering purified air more comfortably and efficiently throughout the room. Bidirectional airflow delivers purified air more effectively throughout our room, and in some cases has been proven to be up 24% more efficient than traditional air purifiers with vertical airflow. TruSense is designed for our lifestyle. Our focus was to create an air purifier that is beautifully designed, simple to use, and beneficial to your living space. Trust TruSense for cleaner air. Number 11. The Beats Fit Pro. Take the Beats Studio Buds, then add a fixed wing strip and most of the AirPods Pro features, and you wind up with Apple's best workout headphone. Meet the Beats Fit Pro, a sportier version of Beats' popular wireless earbuds that hits all its cylinders. Adaptive EQ adjusts frequency in real time to hear music more precisely, while spatial audio and head tracking creates an impressive listening experience when indulging in Dolby Atmos supported content. Noise cancellation is just as strong as it is on the AirPods Pro and Pro Plus. You get longer ANC playtime, features like automatic switching, Hey Siri voice activation, and Find My app supportive locating misplaced buds complete the package. The earbuds are similar to the Beats Studio Buds, which were introduced earlier in this year with a completely wireless in-ear design. 9to5Mac has heard from the sources that Beats Fit Pro will feature active noise cancellation plus Apple's H1 chip for fast pairing with Apple devices and Hey Siri. Interestingly, the charger's case is more reminiscent to the Power Beats Pro, which is expected to remain available in the lineup even after the introduction of the new Beats Fit Pro. 9to5Mac has also learned that the new earbuds will achieve 6 hours of battery life with ANC or transparency mode turned on, or 7 hours with adaptive EQ. Combined with the charging case, the new Beats earbud deliver 27 to 30 hours of battery life. They are equipped with Class 1 Bluetooth and a built-in accelerometer to identify the reduced external noise when using the microphones. Apple is also making. Number 10. Mini Desktop Super Vacuum Cleaner. The powerful and strong suction from high-speed centrifugal fan, 3-volt working powered by 2AA batteries for long-term uses. This mini vacuum cleaner delivers 20,000 RPMs of suction and works on hard and upholstered surfaces. It has perfect multifunctional cleaner for cleaning just dust of desktop, laptops, keyboard, cigarette ash, breadcrumbs, or paper scraps. Eraser crushing comes on desk. Pets' hairs, makeup powder, crumbs on carpet, rugs, sofa bench, etc. Convenient to use at schools, offices, homes, or cars and provide a larger, cleaner area with a diameter of 60 mm. And the nylon brush for secondary cleaning at the bottom provides you a messless life and convenient, comfortable cleaning experience. Mini size for easy packaging and carry. Great as a gift for kids at school, colleges, and office. People who do cleaning work at home. It holds the puzzle cover, turn right and then it left to open the lid and place the battery. According to the positive and negative battery compartment mark, install the 2AA battery correctly and then buckle the lid. Turn left, the battery is installed. Number 9. Smart Plug. A smart plug is a small adapter that can be plugged into standard electrical wall socket. These small devices turn any non-internet enabled appliances into smart appliances that can be controlled by a mobile application or voice assistant. Smart plugs can be connected to a mobile application on your smartphone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. This allows consumer to control the appliances connected to the plug. Smart plug needs to be plugged into socket and need to continue power supply for its operation. Once an appliance is connected to the smart plug, it can be remotely controlled. The majority of smart plugs work with a Wi-Fi connection and do not need a hub. Every smart plug will have its own mobile application for both Android and iOS devices. When a consumer gives any command to the application, it will be transmitted to the smart plug user using the internet or Bluetooth. If a smart plug is operated using Bluetooth, the range will be limited to 10 meters. However, it is operated using Wi-Fi, then the devices can be limited and controlled from anywhere. A smart plug will convert any existing non-internet enabled appliances or electrical system into a smart object, capable of communicating with other smart products in your home. Users can control and check on devices after leaving their house by using the Smart Plugs application. Smart plug technology can be widely used for monitoring and controlling energy consumption of electrical devices. With the introduction of new efficient and cost-effective load IT technology to the future, the smart plugs are expected to be high demand in the coming years. National Renewable Energy Laboratories research ranks the smart plug as the second best smart solution that helps users save energy and money. Smart plugs are estimated to have between 1 to 4.58% of energy usage, or 500 to 1000 kilowatts, by cutting phantom power. Smart plug can be envisaged as a vital component in the expanding market for smart energy management system. Number 8. 6-in-1 USB-C hub. Turn one USB-C port on your laptop into a 100-watt power delivery USB-C port, 3 USB-A 3.0 ports and one HDMI port and one SD card reader. The HDMI port has 4K video output, which is great for projection or expansion. Supports Windows, Mac, and more. The hub is compatible with pretty much any device that uses USB-C port, including tablets like the iPad and iPad Pro. It will support Mac, Windows, Unix, and Chromebook OS. Whatever operating system you use and whatever machine you use should work as long as you have a USB-C port. This is a 6-in-1 adapter that can really add some functionality to your USB-C port. That's especially important if you don't have a lot of extra ports on your machine, or you know any extra ports at all. The hub turns your Signal's USB-C port into 100-watt power delivery charging port, a 4K HDMI port, 3 USB 3.0 ports, and an SD card reader. Use the HDMI port to output video in 4K resolution to at 30Hz or 180p at 60Hz. Use it for projecting videos and presentation at work or at expanding your screen real estate into a larger monitor. The SD card works with transmission speeds up to 480 Mbps, and the charging port gives you the fastest possible charge for your USB-C device. The 3 ports have USB 3.0 speeds and can transfer files up to 5 Gbps. These ports cannot charge anything, they are for data transfer only. However, this gives plenty of option for connecting extra storage or moving files off a thumb drive and things like that. Number 7. RGB keyboards. An RGB keyboard is an advanced type of LED backlit keyboard that generates custom colors by projecting simultaneous combination of red, green, and blue light, like a TV, creating millions of potential hues. RGB keyboard software lets you choose your exact favorite colors and program them to appear on certain keys or in special sequences. You can ever link your keyboard lighting effect to specific functions and game events or the real-time performance of your PC. RGB gaming keyboards first gain attention as external add-on advanced home gaming system. That market continues to grow, but RGB keyboards are available in high-performance laptops too, including Lenovo's new Legion Y730 and Legion Create Ultraval with their own personalized key patterns and colors. First, let's make clear what an RGB keyboard is not. It's just not a backlit keyboard that simply eliminates the letters on each key. It's also not a multicolor keyboard that lets you pick from a set of predefined colors from the different groups of keys. Number 6. Anker Nebula Solar Portable Projector. The Anker Nebula Solar Portable is the most recent addition to Anker Innovation's popular all-in-one projector family. It's pitched as a part of Sension's company Go Anywhere range, means no wires are required. Fitted with a rechargeable battery, it can produce a full HD HDR picture of your 120 inches for as long as 3 hours before it needs to plug it into main again. That's enough to most films apart from maybe Gone with the Wind. It was also offered an upgrade in resolution from 720p to Full HD with HDR over the Mars machines. Although the LED light output on the Solar Portable is just 400 ANSI lumens, 100 less than the Nebula Mars 2 Pro. The main forfeit is with the scale of the sound system. The smaller box of the Solar Portable leaves room for the only a 2x to 3 watt setup compared to the far beefier potential of the Mars 2x 2x 10 watt array. The Nebula range doesn't have apps for Netflix or many of the UK catch-up apps, including iPlayer via its Android TV operating system. But Anker attempts to make up for this by supporting the Netflix mobile services within its Nebula Connect app, which also includes some handy software for screen mirroring from iOS devices. The app isn't great though. You can only navigate it using the rather awkward Nebula mobile app and the content doesn't look good. You find we are better off using Android TV built-in Chromecast functionality for Netflix. Other apps you will need to cast include Now, all are 4 Rakuten, UKTV Play, and BritBox. Some apps also you to download it to the Solar Portable 8GB internal drive. Or you can get around these services altogether by loading your own file. Setup is a typically easy thanks to 2 handy features. First is the autofocus auto keystone system, which kicks in each time the projector is moved or switched on. Autofocus is generally excellent and you can give it to a trick using a navigational controls on the remote if needed. Keystone offers a decent started place, but it's done manually if you are off axis. Now we have reached into our top 5 and number 5 is Sonos Roam Smart Speaker. The Sonos Roam is the most focused calculated product from Sonos yet. It's a small $169 speaker that's meant to compete with portable Bluetooth speaker that people so often carry everywhere without a second thought. But it's also designed to slot into Sonos multi-room audio platform and showcase the adaptability that comes with it. In fact, excluding the Crow brand speaker, the Sonos makes with IKEA, the Roam is now the cheapest way into the company's ecosystem. The Roam supports hands-free voice commands, has Apple AirPlay 2, includes wireless charging, and features a rugged design that lets you use a practical anywhere. There's a lot riding on this speaker. Sonos only releases a couple new products per year, so they all have to deliver. So let's examine how the Roam stacks up against similarly sized speaker and whether it should replace whatever we have got now. At 6.61 inches tall, the Roam actually stands shorter than a popular Bluetooth speaker like the UE Boom 3 and JBL Flip 5. And at under a pound, it's lightweight enough to toss into a backpack or top. The boom is bigger all around. You could pretty much fit the Roam right inside it. US Mega Boom 3 and the new JBL Charge 5 both the increased size advantage further. And they are still close to the Roam in price. Going up from there, you get the real giant like the UE Mega Blast. For this review, I'll give a simple and focus on speakers that resemble the Roam in size. The Roam retains what's become the standard Sonos aesthetic, with hundreds of precision drilled holes in the speak enclosure. But this is not a cylinder style speaker that shoots audio in all directions. The Roam has a curved triangle shape that naturally projects sounds both forward and up, but it's laid horizontally. It comes in either black or white. I have noticed that when the black one is in bright lightning, or you can actually see a hexagon pattern behind the holes. That place there is for structural reasons, but it's not really visually on the white speaker. Sonos has built a favorable reputation with its fast speaker, but the question is whether the company can make good on its name with a speaker this small and portable. But I'll say the Roam is one of the clearest, most present portable speaker I have seen. Others like UE Boom 3 come off muddy and like them. There's little about their sound and articulate the stand up. The Roam seems to have a priority of ensuring the texture and vibrancy of music comes through with the maximum clarity. Vocal sound clips and strings as classical music come through lush without the getting pitch. Instruments come with a natural tone like the Sonos speaker. The Roam features automatic and optimization called TruePlay, and Sonos says it's constantly adjusting the optimized sound for whatever environment it's in. This does actually make a difference in a choosy balance. It is not a magic cure-all for an aesthetically challenged room. Number 4. Amazon Astro Household Robot. Amazon is launching Astro, its first household robot, powered by its Alexa smart home technology. The company said it can be remote controlled when not at home to check on pets, people, or some security. It can also patrol at a home automatically and send owners a notification if it detects something unusual. Amazon said it was more than Alexa with wheels and had been programmed with a range of movements and expression to give it personality. It demonstrated asking Astro to beatbox, and the robot hoped it heard and made expression while playing hip-hop beats. Amazon was also keen to preempt privacy concerns. Earlier this year, Amazon announced a trio of new household robots during a live virtual event. Unfortunately, for early adopters eager to get their hands on coolest tech gadgets of 2021. These boards are not available to the public just yet. However, you can apply to receive one of the first ever units through Amazon's Save One Edition program. Our favorite robot of the lot is the Astro, an household assistant that can move freely around your home to keep an eye on things. Treat it like a pet or use it as a security drone. The choice is up to you. Either way, we hope it's a sign that more household robots will soon be available to the average person. The company is known for occasionally making unusual smartphone tech such as Alexa controlled microwave from 2008. At least year's event, Amazon turned heads with a flying indoor alarm drone. The always home can come with development by it defects a potential installation and can fly around a home to check the video feed. But it was not launched and no more details were released in the past year. Instead, Amazon on Tuesday said it opening up the invest list of the adaptary to buy drone on a limited basis, but did not give the dates of widespread availability. Among the other devices unveiled at the event was the Amazon Glow, a video calling device that has ability to project an interactive touchscreen on the floor or table in front of it. The idea is engage children during long video calls and they can play games or draw on the 19-inch projected screen while on the video call. Relatives, on the other hand, can also interact with the production through a tablet tab. In one example, Amazon said children could scan a favorite toy using the Glow's camera and turn it into a jigsaw puzzle to reassemble it. At number 3, which is Soundcore frames. Audio glasses are the latest trend in tech. They are just a pair of normal glasses, but with integrated speakers and a Bluetooth connection. Now there are many variants of this idea, some of which feature bone conducting technology, and some come with bells and whistles, such as water resistance and surround sound. Due to their design and construction, audio glasses sound a bit weak on the bass side. After all, they need to shoot sound from tiny drivers into your ears from some distance. Audio sunglasses, however, have some advantages and can be quite useful in certain situations. But before we delve into those, let's check out Anker's new model. The Soundcore frames are just like traditional audio glasses, but they feature some extras. You can easily swap the front frames and can change your style in a matter of seconds. Back to the glasses. Unlike other audio eyewear, the Soundcore frame features our drivers. 2 in each arm, one is positioned behind the ear and one is in front, creating a surround sound effect. Another cool feature is that anti-leak private listening mode, which uses the noise reduction features to shield you from the outside world. There's also a mix of touch and voice control. The Soundcore frames audio glasses uses Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity and they offer 5.5 hours of playback on a single charge. A 10-minute charge will get you another 1.5 hours. And last but not least, these glasses are IPX4 water resistant. The obvious advantage of audio sunglasses is that you don't need to wear headphones or earbuds with your sunglasses. This may not sound like much, but the quality of life and comfort improvement can be substantial. Audio glasses are also great for people who just can't find a pair of comfortable in-ear headphones but don't want to opt on one ear or over-the-ear model. Needless to say, audio glasses also look cool and stylish, so more points are there. Now the turn of our number 2 tech gadget, and that is Backbone One gaming controller. With Apple stuffing the lightning-fast A14 processor into their latest smartphone, mobile gaming has taken a huge leap forward. However, while the iPhone is fully capable of playing some great games, its ability to act as a controller is somewhat lacking. The Backbone One lets you snap the controller onto both ends of your iPhone, mimicking the design of traditional video games controllers, and it comes with some cool features. You can use it to stream Xbox games to your phone via Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. It's also compatible with PlayStation's Remote Play, Stream Link, and Apple Arcade, granting you access to next-gen console software on your smartphone. A low latency connection mode keeps gameplay running smoothly, and it's cool that there is a pass-through charging to conveniently power the iPhone while playing. So here we are at our number 1, and that is Oculus Quest 2. Virtual reality might be taking its time to have its iPhone moment, but it's still very much that next big tech thing which comes to the coolest tech gadget. And there's not a single VR device that flashes that promise more than the Oculus Quest 2. Without the need for a powerful computer or special equipment, you can simply strap the Quest 2 to your head, pick up the controller, and move freely in VR space. Thanks to its inside-out technology, which uses cameras on the outside of the headset to track your movement in the space around you. The Oculus Quest is currently sold out, but we expect inventory to rebound ahead of the holiday season, so stay tuned. So with this, here comes the end of this video. Hope you all guys love it and find it informative. So do subscribe, like and share our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the upcoming months. Till then, stay tuned, take care.